Okay, y'all, it's video cocktail recipe time, and I'm gonna use one hand. I don't have much time, so I already did all that. This is called a Piñoma, but I ran out of grapefruit soda. So you just boom. Okay, this is part 2 because part 1 was a little too slow. Maybe I can finish it in this turn. But yeah, you just do that. That's just with that last shot and this shot, that makes it 3 ounces of tequila. Whoa, that's like half the glass. You say, I don't give a fuck, I say. That's how this shit works. I fucked up. You're supposed to do the bitters first. I mean, you're not supposed to. That's how I like to do it. But I do Unterberg bitters first. Just a couple dashes. They taste kind of like licorice. Then I use some Angostura orange. Just boom. It just tastes kind of like orange peel. That's cool. And then I put that shit in there. Just a whole half of a lime. Just a half of a lime. Gives it that zingy zang tang. Swirl that bitch up a bit. And I got this Fanta Piña Colada. It's just pineapple Fanta. It's literally just pineapple Fanta. I can't stress this stuff. It's pineapple Fanta with like LaCroix. Well, then you just pour that bad boy in. Kind of vigorously, so as to mix it up some more. And that's it. That's the drink. I'm going to flip this camera over. Could be worse.